This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Move-in ready ranch in established neighborhood, fresh paint and new flooring throughout, new stainless steel appliances and quartz counters, new hall bath, new roof, nice floor plan features large kitchen, great room, walk-in pantry/mudroom, primary suite with large closet and private bath, attached garage and large backyard with patio area. Location offers convenience to I-64 and I-664. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.